blanket, blanket, blanket. Hi guys, and guess what? Now some people don't think I'm what they would call normal, and so they think it would be a real treat to watch me fail at the cinnamon challenge. But guess what? I have a little bit of sanity, and I actually think that choking on cinnamon isn't that fun. I've thought about it long and hard. What to do? What should I do? Help me! You're supposed to give me advice. Oh, you make up. I love you too. Yeah, yeah. So I decided that I will not do the cinnamon challenge. I will not let you people try and make me choke on cinnamon and inhale it into my lungs and die. No, that's not how I'm spending my Friday night. You guys can go choke on cinnamon yourself. So, instead, I thought I would still entertain you by maybe like dancing, planking. I will plank. I will plank until I fall off something. I won't. So, let's go plank a diddy dong until we a diddy dong. Alright. This is my first time planking.
Barbra Streisand.
Oh my god.
Barbra Streisand.
Plank it. Oh my gosh. Plank it. Oh, my tummy. Plank it. Plank it. Plank it. Plank it. Plank it.
Barbra Streisand.
Plank it. Plank it. Plank it. Plank. Ow! Oh, my elbow. Plank it. Okay. I planked, and it was funner than I bet any cinnamon challenge would have been. You see. Thanks for watching. I appreciate that you guys watched me plank. It's nice to have people watch that. Always plank. Don't choke on cinnamon. Help this world realize what it's coming to. Expect it. And subscribe before they get you. They're coming, and if you don't subscribe to me, they're gonna eat you with their steak and potatoes. Do what's best for you. Click the button. Raise awareness. Don't be eaten with steak and potato fries. If you subscribe, I'll give you a blueberry waffle. Get it, girl.